Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to walk you through how we created holiday greeting cards from the Sunny Studios Warm and Cozy die. Hi everybody. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I have set up the camera a little bit different. I thought I would try something new and hopefully I can get through this greeting card without any issues due to the new setup. And hopefully you like it too, because it'll give you a little bit better view to what I'm doing. I have counted all the pieces that I cut. I also cut out some sentiments, winter wishes that I think I may be able to use with some of these. Let's see what I can create from all of this. First, I want to decide what kind of background I want to create. I think I could do just a regular white background, but I don't want the cards to look too plain. So I may have some interesting paper that I could use as a backdrop. 7, 8. I pulled out 8 pre-cut 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 sheets of Strathmore Bristol smooth paper, and I also pulled out the Stampers Anonymous Tim Holtz collection layering stencil. I'm going to try some brushed corduroy of the Distress Oxides and see where that brings me. I'm just using some painter's tape to hold down the stencil. Well, that's not bad. I want to change the color, however. I'm going to spray this with water right here. So now it's oxidizing. And now I'm going to just lay this on top of it, and hopefully there's a pattern that'll emerge.
Oh, I love it.
That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. Let's do the rest. It really looks like I have like a background of wood there. Let's try Victorian velvet. Oh, look at that color. Stop. That's gorgeous. You can assume that I treated myself to an early Christmas gift and completed my Distress Oxide ink set. I also was sure to include the re-inkers. Can you even handle that right now? I can't. That is gorgeous. Hopefully I have some pretty decent colors that work well with these. I'm gonna use water again and spray this and get some texture on here doing it this way. Oh my gosh. That is just so pretty. I have some leftover ink on my brush. Oh, that's better. Alright, I think that was a success, and hopefully the idea that I have will work with this. I was thinking I wanted to work with the hats. Okay, so we are finished with 8 cards. This particular set of cards took me longer than any of the cards previously or in previous years. The hats are made out of so many different pieces and so many different papers. I was trying so hard to find papers and patterns that matched and that could go together on the cards, so I definitely learned a lesson. Next time I'm going to keep the colors and patterns of the paper to a minimum. I used a combination of liquid pearls and crystal nouveau drops to dot the eyes on the winter and the wishes. So there we have it, folks. Hopefully you gathered some inspiration from this set of cards, and I'm glad that you're here. Until next time, love you guts. Bye! Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things.
consider subscribing, because I'd love to have you as a viewer.